All right, y'all, what's up? So just a quick update on kind of my locks and what's going on for them. I've been working out in the gym for like the past week and a half now, and I've been starting to sweat more because of my increase of water, I guess. Because before, like, I didn't sweat at all when I went to the gym, but people are saying it's because you were dehydrated and whatever. I'm sweating now, and so now it's more so coming through my hair, which is kind of why this looks like this. So what I'm gonna experiment with is this jojoba and peppermint mixture, so to speak. So I'm gonna start fresh on my hair. I'm gonna do a quick refresh of my hair so that it doesn't have any of the smell or anything like that, and see if doing this for the next week in the gym helps or hurts, or it doesn't make a big difference either way. Yeah, I also ordered some bands. They haven't arrived yet, so I'm just trying the fact out with the oil. I'll probably tie my hair down with something else until those bands come in. They're supposed to get here on Monday. It's Saturday now, but Monday's a holiday, so I don't know if that's really gonna happen. So we'll see. But I'm gonna do a quick refresh, and you guys know how my refreshes go. And be done with that, and then I'll start by using the jojoba oil and peppermint oil. I got it at this other beauty supply store, not my normal one you see in my vlog. This one was black owned, so I was trying to support the cause. Pero I got this OK Pure, 100% pure. I hope that like jojoba oil. There it goes. And then this 100% peppermint oil. There that goes. And I'm just gonna put it into like a little squirt bottle. It's like a cheap little squirt bottle. I couldn't find one that we had at the house. I know we have one somewhere. I'm just probably looking for it like I look for everything else, not the best. And go from there. Just put some in and then squirt some of this on it while I'm in the gym, and then I'll let you guys know how that works. So I'll probably come back with my refresh look after I've sprayed it down and let you know what ratio of mixture I went to for it. But yeah, that's how this is gonna go. And my goal is to finish this within an hour, hopefully more so 45 minutes and not the hour. And we'll see. I'm not gonna wet my hair enough to where it needs to really dry, but yeah, okay, whatever. Let me get to this now. So see you in a few. Okay, for starters, I can tell you this is gonna work for one of two reasons. That peppermint pure, baby, that already replaces the smell. One, and it's tingling already, so that's kind of good. But yeah, I'm excited. Alright, so I finished my retwist and refresh and everything in the time that I said I would. But like in me finishing, I had to run out and go to my little cousin's games. They won these. I'll link it in this corner. Haha, I remember. I'll link it in this corner if you guys are interested in seeing that. Or at least his highlights from the game. But what I'm dying because this peppermint oil, I think I went too heavy on it in the mixture. Like I can tell I used way more peppermint than I did the jojoba oil. And it is really, at this point, it's pungent. It's the very, it's like suffocating. So if this doesn't get any better, and the next day, when I wake up, if it isn't any better, I'm just gonna have to wash my hair and wash it out. Cause I don't know how to dilute the smell, or dilute it right now. Like I really think I just used too much, like not realizing that it was pure. Oh, see, it's fucking with me now. It's messing with me now. But yeah, like a peek at the refresh. So that's my, that hopefully will remain my starting point for the gym and working out with these Locs and how that's gonna work. But if not, I'll wash my hair and do something to it if this smell like just does not go away, because like I can't, like I got a headache, and it's not from not eating, it's from this. The smell is so strong. When I was in my car, I had to ride with like all the windows down because it was just like, so. And then when I was walking by, people were like, what's that smell? And I knew it was me at that point. And it's not even like that I smelled bad. It was just, it was strong. So that's that. I'll come back in a follow-up video if I do decide to wash it, letting you know. But at this point, it is really strong. So be careful when you do that, when you make your mixtures. Keep that in mind. If you're gonna use pure peppermint oil, I would just say don't even put it in like a squirt bottle or anything. Put some on like your finger and like run it through your scalp, because you do not need that much. It's gonna cut whatever smell is already there and break down all the salt, the sweat. You do not need that much. I don't know why I thought I needed that much in there. Miscalculation on my part, my fault. But I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. So until next time, be easy. Don't use so much peppermint oil. Yeah.